And a huge hello goes out to entertainers around the world who are watching this. My name is Barry Friedman. I am the head coach and creator of the ShowBiz Blueprint. And as some of you know, many changes in our world. And a couple of days ago, I sent out a simple yet probing survey about sort of the state of where entertainers were at vis-a-vis returning to the stage, re-entry, I called it. And the results of that poll have been staggering. I asked three simple questions. What did you do in terms of performing over the last 15 months, in terms of your performing career? I said, are you planning to go back to entertaining as the lockdowns are lifted? And yes and no, and part-time and full-time. And then what are your top one or two questions about booking your show post-pandemic? Well, I want to tell you, I have never in my life seen responses like this. Hundreds of responses came in. I had my assistant run through and color code them based on a couple of different factors. Were they about price and money? Were they about feasibility? Were they about booking and strategy? And were they COVID specific? And holy cow, I can't tell you. Oops, well, look at that screen, everybody. I can't tell you how enlightening it was to see where you guys were at. And I promised a simple report if you filled that out. But the truth is, after reading these, the fear and the wonder and the excitement, it's just wrapped up. There was no way this was going to be handled by the simple PDF report I had originally planned. So the trusty yellow Post-it to the rescue. Instead, I've decided to do a three-part workshop, live training where I'm going to be on live, actually digging into some of this, digging into the opportunities that are available to entertainers, since the beginning of time, through the pandemic, where we're at now, through the release and the reopening. I've been in touch with countless entertainers, alumni of my programs, other entertainers, producers, event planners. I've just been getting my fingers back on the pulse of that whole world as we begin to transition into this next stage. And there is a lot of opportunity. I'm going to dig into that on the first workshop, which is going to be Tuesday the 15th. So Tuesday coming up next week, June 15th. It'll be at 1 p.m. Pacific time, 4 p.m. Eastern time. Hope you'll be there live. Go to showbizblueprint.com, put your name and email in the box. If you get emails from me, you're already on there. You don't need to worry about that. If you're not, showbizblueprint.com, put your name and email in the box, and I will let you know direct links to where we're going to be streaming these live on Facebook, on YouTube, maybe somewhere else. We'll simulcast them out. The second workshop is going to be on Thursday, and that is the 17th. And in that one, I'm going to be talking about actual steps you can take right now to begin righting your ship and moving towards where you want to be. The answers in those surveys were so eye-opening about what people have done during the downtime. But where are we going in the future? That's the big piece right now. If you're an entertainer, if you checked yes on that survey, you want to go back to it full time, you have to be here. Thursday, I'll be talking about what you can do right now. Saturday is going to be part 3, and I'm going to talk about the new reality of what is possible for you with those opportunities, with the changes we're making, and what's it look like to see the world through that lens as we begin to continue to unwind and open up more and more parts of the world. Can't tell, I'm actually extremely excited about what I've been learning from entertainers around the world, from people on the other side who do the booking. It is a new gold mine. That's actually what it is. We will dig into that. So I'm going to look forward to seeing you on Tuesday. I will drop an email. Again, showbizblueprint.com will get you onto a mailing list where I'll be able to stay in touch with you and give you direct links to the workshop. Totally looking forward to digging in with you because as I said at the very beginning of the pandemic, back, I think I did a live in April of 2020 where I did the Entertainer's State of the Union address. I told you had two choices, and that was either to step up or to mothball yourself. Those of you who have stepped up have had some of the best years in their career, and I will show you proof of that on the workshop on Tuesday, how some entertainers have turned it into something that they never even imagined. And some of you mothballed yourself, and that's fine. And if it's time to come out of that mothball, we have a lot to dig into. I will see you soon. Again, Barry Friedman from ShowBiz Blueprint. Looking forward to seeing you on the live workshop Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday next week. And that is June 15, 17, and 19. See you then.